Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a toy review, and I got my old Flash onesie on with my boy Kaden. Now we got some toys, two toys, because they were bought us as presents. Well, not presents, but gifts. So mine was this. The Marky Sparky Faux Bow 3, the Field of Real Archery, range over 100 feet, Best Toys for Kids 2010, and then the warnings. Warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years of age. So this is the box it came in. As you can tell, it's hollow because I've already put it together, and it doesn't come apart. Yeah, well, the bow part, this structure part doesn't come apart. Okay, so yeah, well, we're not unboxing it, but let's get to the toy. And oh yeah, so this is the bow. It's roughly big. It's not like any normal bow. It has this instead of a regular trigger, because this bowstring really don't need it, just to add the whole effect. This whole mechanism really operates on this whole black part. It's like a pump, and yeah, this comes off, but it's like a pump, and I put it on upside down, so this, it's like this, but this is supposed to be up here, and this is supposed to be here, but it doesn't really matter. So yeah, it's like a pump, and I bet you could cut that, get it open, and start using it as a real bow, but yeah, it has like, if you look closely here, has like a wooden kind of feel, wooden or molten rock. The grip is okay. The range, it's okay for like any archers out there, or beginner archers like myself. Well, I'm not really a beginner. I've been doing archery for like a couple years now, maybe like 4 years of my life. I've been doing archery, loving it. So this is basically, that's it. And these are the arrows. It's a hollow piece of, like, you know, that stuff. Hold on, let me think of it. Like that plastic. I thought of it like the plastic. This is basically the plastic you get on like toys, and then like you unbox it and encase it in this plastic. That's basically what it is, but it's softer and weaker. These are made of that material. This is just hollowed out because it has to slide onto here. This part is just foam. So how it works is there's holes right here, and there's a pump. So it shoots air. And the wings are like this, so when it spins, it like catches. So you slide it on there, and you pull it back in. Shoots up to 100 feet. Yeah, comes with 6 of those things. It really should have come with 7, because like 6 here, and then the one could be right here. But yeah, I better go get that, shouldn't I? Yeah, so I got it back. So this is basically what it is. How it comes is this is off. These are separate. All of these. That's how I explained the box. How it's so small. These come separate, and these two pieces come off, and you basically click them on. You screw this on, and basically you pop them on for a coating, or if you just want to shoot, you shoot. I really like these because it's a nice grip feel. It's better than this. Like, this is the bottom part, but like it's just a long flat piece. So it's just like that. This actually, it has like this groove here for your thumb, and then like that. So it actually gives a nice feel in the hand. And also this pump thing, it's so strong. It's for anyone who has like shoulder injuries or arm injuries. You won't be able to keep this out for long because it starts off easy. Well, it starts off like kind of hard, then gets easier, and then once you hold it, it's kind of hard on the arm you're pulling back and hard to hold up and keep straight. Hard on this elbow right here, and it's hard on the arm. Because listen, that's the tension. The tension, Tension. This is the tension of it. It's very, yeah. So when you pull this back, this is basically how strong the spring is in here. And yeah, this thing is made all out of plastic except for the arrows, the bow, all plastic. Some things like these are weaker than this hard casing. And yeah, only concern is with this. Why can't you just have like a nice arrow? Like, I get this point, it shoots up to 100 feet with compressed, like, not really compressed air, but like air, build up air inside of here. But really, okay, this, if it was like this would have been better. But this, if it was this, it would have been a little better, even if it was this. But I guess if you really want all that from bow and arrow, buy a real one. This was $30, okay? This, $30. This right here was $30. This says Fobo. I don't know, is that how you say it? I know it's not folks. I know the X right here is silent, so it's not folks. Fox. Yeah. Fo, I think it is. Fobo. And yeah. That's pretty much all I wanted to review. If you guys want to see some challenges with me and Kaden, we'll probably try to buy another one of these, or probably get someone else, something else to substitute for this bow. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in. Hold up. Oh, yeah. If you pull back and release like a certain speed, it will, like, you saw how it went like that. It like will go out, and then if you don't notice it and you go again, it won't shoot properly. But hold on. But I hope you guys enjoy. And if you like, comment, share, and we'll see you in the next one. Caden's doing another one. Go subs at CJ's Ready. His newest video will probably not be out by the time this video's out, but watch this video and it'll probably be out, I don't know. And yeah, you're gonna see this in his video. It'll just be laying right there. And yeah, so just want to say that. Bye.